sounds in our names. This first name is Moses. Say it slow like a ghost with me. Moses. Moses. Now we're going to say one sound at a time. And let's find out if his letters are behaving or misbehaving. What's the first sound? Say for Moses. M says Is this an M? It is, so it gets a star. What's the next sound in Moses? Mo. O. And this is an O. The next sound, Moses. Z says Z. Is this a Z? No, it's an S. S is saying the Z sound. It's misbehaving. It wants to say a different sound. Moses. What says like umbrella? It should be a U. Is this a U? No, the E gets to say It's misbehaving, Moses. And S says S. This one's behaving. So now let's write our number sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters is made up of 1, 2, 3 letters behaving plus 2 letters misbehaving. 5 is made up of 3 and 2. There's our number sentence. Okay, and let's use a green for our next name. This name is Ryder. Let's say it slow like a ghost. Ryder. Ryder. Now the first sound, What says like Reggie Rooster? R. And this is an R. What's the next sound? I. I. Is this an I? Oh my goodness. Y is misbehaving. It's saying the long sound for I. What's the next sound? Ride. D. And this is a D. Says D. Ride. Is one sound, and we call that bossy R. R is bossing the E to make it say with it. So E isn't saying its sound, is it? It's being bossed by R. Now let's do our number sentence with Ryder. How many letters in Ryder? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters is made up of 1, 2, 3 letters are behaving plus 1, 2 letters are misbehaving. 5 is made of 3 and 2, or 3 plus 2. Nice sound. Oh, and now we'll put those in our Sounds in Names book so we can all practice reading those new names. Bye-bye.